Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. AWS Containers. Containers are a form of operating system virtualization. Containers are an executable unit of software, in which application code is packaged, along with its libraries and dependencies. Containers are small, fast, and portable, because unlike a virtual machine, containers do not need to include a guest operating system in every instance, and can, instead, simply leverage the features and resources of the host operating system. Instead of virtualizing the hardware stack, as with the virtual machines approach, containers virtualize at the operating system level, with multiple containers running atop the OS kernel directly. This means that containers are far more lightweight. They share the operating system kernel, start much faster, and use a fraction of the memory, compared to booting an entire operating system. Amazon Elastic Container Registry. Amazon ECR is a managed AWS Docker registry service that is secure, scalable, and reliable. Amazon ECR supports private Docker repositories with resource-based permissions using AWS IAM, so that specific users or Amazon EC2 instances can access repositories and images. Developers can use the Docker CLI to push, pull, and manage images. Components of Amazon ECR. Amazon ECR contains the following components. Registry. An Amazon ECR registry is provided to each AWS account. You can create image repositories in your registry and store images in them. Authorization token. Your Docker client must authenticate to Amazon ECR registries as an AWS user before it can push and pull images. Repository. An Amazon ECR image repository contains your Docker or Open Container Initiative images. Repository policy. You can control access to your repositories and the images within them with repository policies. Last is image. You can push and pull container images to your repositories. You can use these images locally on your development system, or you can use them in Amazon ECS task definitions and Amazon EKS pod specifications. Amazon Elastic Container Service. Amazon ECS is a highly scalable, fast, container management service that makes it easy to run, stop, and manage Docker containers on a cluster. ECS is a great choice to run containers. You can choose to run your ECS clusters using AWS Fargate, which is a serverless compute for containers. Fargate removes the need to provision and manage servers. It lets you specify and pay for resources per application, and improves security through application isolation by design. You can host your cluster on a serverless infrastructure that is managed by Amazon ECS. For more control, you can host your tasks on a cluster of Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instances. Amazon ECS lets you launch and stop container-based applications with simple API calls, allows you to get the state of your cluster from a centralized service, and gives you access to many familiar Elastic Compute Cloud features. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. Run Kubernetes on AWS easily, without needing to maintain your own Kubernetes control plane. Kubernetes is an open-source system for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. The secure and highly available configuration of Amazon EKS makes it reliable and recommended for production workloads. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.